This is a 1965 first-generation Mustang with an electric powertrain. The first fully bespoke electric conversion that I'm aware of. It's a high-end piece of engineering, and there's been a lot of bespoke work designing and producing the first car. It's taken just under a year to do. It outperforms a 1960s Mustang in every department. More power, more torque, approximately 5-second 0 to 60 time, plenty of range, significantly better brakes and suspension dynamics and handling. CNC machining and 3D printing, computer design and upgraded features in the interior, more comfort, more safety. Apple CarPlay and proper air conditioning and heating system. It's electric, so it's clean, proofed against legislation and the growing environmental movement. It'll give 80% charge in less than an hour on a fast charge. The Mustang was one of the first cars that really gave my father his launch into Ford motorsport and performance. There are millions of V8 Mustangs, and every kind of conversion and upgrade has been done. We'd always long wanted to do a modern resto mod version, and it seemed like the logical step to make it electric as well. The future is a collaborative approach with our US partner. We look to be building more of these for sale in the UK, Europe and the rest of the world. There's a place for the clean, silent Mustang in the world. I don't feel that it's untrue to the spirit of the car. I think everyone in the company feels quite proud of it.